1. Oh my god, hello.
Hello.
Hi. This is another cringy video that I'm making.
Video? Yeah. I'm just over here because why not? And I belong to tech.
Ew, stop!
I swear to God, I will check my computer out the window right now.
Good job.
I'm going to change my weave because I feel like it. So I'm changing my
Oh yeah, you're gonna go change your weave. Good job.
Oh
no! Oh my god.
Are you dying or what?
I'm dying. I'm
Should I
really
change
dying.
it to the brown? Should I change it to the brown hair and the ponytail or the long black hair?
You should do the brown hair and the ponytail. It looks better.
Cause that's like what I wear. I mean, all the time basically. But the only time I wear the long hair is if I'm just like, sad. Oh my god! There's an earthquake.
Oh my god! I didn't know that. I didn't know that there was an earthquake.
There's an earthquake. Run for your lives.
Okay, let's go to 18's Plaza.
18's Plaza.
And we're gonna go get some ice cream.
Oh, I just fell through the ground. Oh my goodness.
Good job. We were waiting for that to happen. Oh my god, my mouse doesn't want to work. Okay. Let's go. First, we have to go to Fort Pinta. Wait. Can't we?
It's either that or your lime. Well, let's go to Fort Pinta.
Yeah, let's go to Fort Pinta. Oh my god, I keep on bumping into this fence. I swear.
Okay?
No, I'm not. I really am not.
I'm not okay.
I know you aren't.
But I don't want to say ever.
You weren't ever.
Oh, yeah, I know that.
Nice. Nice.
Alexa, play Roxanne.
I swear, I'm gonna get copyrighted if you don't stop.
Listen to the music, guys. Listen to the music. Listen to the music.
And watch her spam the keyboard.
Oh, there's a flower girl. Nice.
Nice.
Alexa, pause music.
Oh, I never knew flower girls were black.
What?
I never knew that flower girls were black.
Were black? Yeah.
Yeah.
They always were pink, I thought.
Me too. I thought they always were pink. Oh my god.
Why can't I run into the Christmas tree?
Oh.
No.
I got like half of my beanies from here because they have such good beanies. But there's so many NPCs.
I never get beanies. Where's the beanies?
Hey girl, hey. Oh my god, we're gonna...
Oh my god. Hey, don't ignore me, Sandra.
Oh my god, remember the twerking girls?
Stop.
Remember the twerking girls?
Sandra, I'm talking to you.
Oh my god,
Sandra,
look.
don't
She actually did it. Oh my god, I want to dance with them.
I wanna.
Look at them. Look at them learning how to dance. Look, they're also twerking.
Look at this girl. Look at this girl. Look at that. Watch this girl.
No. Oh my god, that's inappropriate.
Yes. Like that time we were in my stable. Don't need to explain it. I'm just gonna hide in a bush.
Good job.
Wow, this bush is not very
Who
big.
is this man?
Where?
This
Where
bald
are you?
Joseph-looking man.
Wait, I'm oh. Either he's on something, or he's talking to his imaginary friend.
He has friends.
Oh, he's talking to a phone.
Oh my god. Oh, you're here?
Ice cream. Let's get ice cream. Oh my god, ice cream. Oh, never mind. I got a cupcake. Where can I set this cupcake?
Actually, I have a quest with like that mysterious character guy. But I'm not gonna do it because I didn't know.
Rami? Do you mean Rami? Rami, what's wrong? Why are you depressed?
Ew, look how smooth his skin looks. I hate him. He looks so ugly.
Can I climb up this tree?
Let's
try and climb up the tree.
Let's go to that other place. Not wait, I don't.
Pier 13?
Yeah, let's go to Pier 13.
Okay. The thing is,
I'm scared.
where are we?
I'm scared to go to Pier 13.
Oh, wait, never mind. She just disappeared.
I really want to go to Pier 13, but I'm scared.
It's okay.
It is?
What's the thing on this way? No. Oh, I
Oh. Good job.
I found it.
Half of the video is us just doing whatever we're doing.
Yeah. Guys, I have a YouTube channel. Go subscribe to me. It's at I'm gonna type it in the club chat. This is my username.
Okay, I'll like put it on the screen somewhere.
That is my username.
Nice, golden barrel.
Right. Tier 13 is at the bottom.
I know. Let's go. Let's go to my least favorite place. I hate this place so much because I'm scared of it.
Oh my god, it's so cool. I love this. It's so like.
Come on, let's go get caught by one of these
I wanna
men.
get ran over.
Oh, we could get ran over? Let's go.
I think so.
Oh.
We just gotta like.
Wait, do I have a quest here?
Is there an earthquake? Ah!
I think there is.
Let's try and jump in the water. Come on.
Okay, let's go. I don't think my character knows how to move. Because we're stuck here.
Can we jump in the water?
Oh yeah, let's jump in the water. At Pier 13. We can?
It's a juicy dangerous fault. It's you. No, stop here. Run in. Woo!
It says you made
You're taking a dangerous fault on what?
How do you get back up in water? Oh my god, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Not this way.
Yeah.
Let's go this way.
Come on.
Wait, do you have that mysterious character guy quest? Or did you already do it?
I think I already did it.
I didn't.
Why can't I go up here? I want to go up there.
I wanted to go up there too. Oh my god, it's ABC baby blocks. It looks like ABC
Right?
baby blocks. Ew.
Let's go over here. Come on. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Before it closes.
It closes? This is what Pier 13 sounds like.
The vacuum of... How did you get through there? I can't even get through here.
I don't know. Because my character's skinny. And yours is fat.
Our characters are the same. Bro, what... Oh, okay. I got through. Yeah, my character isn't fat. Charlene.
My name is
Yours?
Charlene.
What is that? See where the smoke's coming out from? See that red thing?
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know. We can't go up. So we
Yo,
can't
Sally,
go.
we can't go up.
Did you
but-
save Justin Moreland?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I had to what? What?
Oh my god, I'm returning to
Go
the
up
entrance.
higher, wherever you were. I just got sent back.
To your home stable?
No, not to my home stable, to like where you enter.
Oh. I can go into this place. Wait.
Wait for me.
I'm
Like,
waiting.
it didn't do that for me. What do you mean, bro? I'm gonna eventually have time to watch your videos, so there you go. You play Gotcha Life?
Yeah.
Oh my god, so do I. Mine just sucks.
I'm not good at
Like, I make all these, let's say weird characters.
So do I. I'm waiting for you.
Coming!
Oh, I see you upstairs.
Where are you?
Oh my god, I just moved myself. I'm all the way over here where this weird, mysterious guy is. Wait. Oh my god, Frog left the call.
Yeah, she already did. I already noticed that.
I know.
It keeps saying I have to be careful so the guards don't see me. Like, why?
Wait, but I don't have that. Probably because I didn't do that strange, mysterious guy quest.
Yeah, you need to do that quest.
I do, so I have to feel the same exact experience as you.
Yeah.
Should I do it right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Well, I'm just gonna blast some music, so...
No one is here to pick me up. Oh my god.
Alright, guys, listen to the music.
No,
Alexa,
that's not.
play God's Country.
Oh, okay. No problem. Oh my god, I'm stuck
Listen
here.
to the music.
I'm stuck here. I'm stuck.
Oh my god, come on.
Oh my god.
What's this?
I don't know. I think they put like
Right
horses in there.
outside of this one church town, there's a golden road to a hoe. Let's just run around it.
Yeah. Maybe we'll be stuck in there too.
Run around. Let's run around in a circle.
Yeah. Oh my god, I also have so many.
This is totally safe. Like, I just love how we're running around a tank. This is totally.
I'm running around the whole entire place. Oh my god, I got stuck. Okay,
Oh my god.
I need to do the mysterious character guy quest.
Yeah, because then, like, anytime I got closer to a building or something, it will, like, send me back and said,
Well, I want to experience the
I
same
have to
thing.
be careful so the guards don't see me then.
Because
And
the
when
guard,
you save night,
like, you have a bad reputation with the guards right now.
Yeah, because I stole some stuff.
You sold stuff?
Let's jump in the river. Come on, let's
What
jump
type
in
of
the
stuff
river
do
at
you
the same time.
sell?
Stop, back up. No. Let's jump in the river at the same time.
Wait.
Okay? Alright. Wait, let's get a line. Alright, ready, set, go.
Wait, you could jump? Wait, you could jump?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
What?
You could jump in Star Stable?
Who's that person? Is that you? Oh, hi. There you are. Oh, wait, that's not you.
I think.
Jump.
No, next to the river. We're at Pier 13.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Well, do you want to make a part 2 of this?
Of this? Like, of doing this video?
Yeah.
Sure. I'm just trying to kill
Okay.
myself.
Want to end it here?
No, because I want to do a quest.
Well, I can't do a quest because I don't have any more quests over here.
Well, I don't have a quest here either. I'm going back to... Actually, I'm going to Governor's Fall. Come with me. We need to go get some ice cream.
I already got I got a cupcake, not ice cream.
Well, let's go get some ice cream. Spend more money.
Okay. Ooh, great trolley's here. Governor's
Ah.
Fall. Perfect.
Oh, hello. Hello. I love Governor's Fall so much. It's like one of my favorite areas, but I don't really go there.
Yeah. Like, I haven't met any, like, YouTubers, but then I met you and I'm like, oh, you're a YouTuber? Can I be in one of your YouTube videos? Because, like, the only time I was in a YouTube video with someone was my ex-best friend.
I feel like this Health Inspector Harry girl is so scary.
Like, miss.
Like, why are you just looking at us eat? Give us some privacy, dang.
Yeah. Wait, is this sanitary? I'm gonna stick my finger in an ice cream.
Ew. Ew, that's weird.
And then eat the ice cream.
That's not
Come sit
sanitary.
down with me. Sit down with me.
Okay. Oh my god, is there another person here? Or is that just some random NPCs? Okay, let me just try sitting down. If I can. Oh my god, it doesn't let me sit down at this place. What?
Oh my god, you're. No. I'm getting up.
Yeah.
No. You sit down there. I'm gonna sit down here. Ah! Why is World War II happening?
I don't know.
Like.
Okay.
Oh, hi.
Oh hi. Let's go order some ice cream.
I thought World War II was happening because that was.
That's
Oh,
loud.
hi.
Oh hi, maid. So mean. I put my YouTube channel as for kids, and then I don't even think this is for kids.
Right?
I know.
That's just.
Oh my god. Oh my god. YouTube is gonna take down my YouTube channel.
Yeah, probably, but
Well, I'm gonna get a vanilla milkshake. No, I'm gonna get some iced tea because it doesn't say 100% alcohol free.
what?
The iced tea says 100% alcohol free.
Wait, what?
The iced tea, it says 100% alcohol free. Are you sure about that, Star Stable? I don't seem to believe you.
Yeah, that's funny. Why not cut it here and then we can make another one?
Sure, but let's just eat something because it won't let me play
Why
on
is
my
someone
phone.
saying cult?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go try and sing.
Okay. Well, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it.